Yeah, I mean, ultimately, our goal is to become 100% predictive. All insurance carriers, probably all of our peers out there, they work off some underwriting principles, some underwriting agreements relative to who they're going to service, why they're going to service. I want to take those and slide them to the side. It doesn't matter. I want to look at the data and help the data understand us where it's the most target-rich environment, be more predictive up front. Those accounts come on to us that even though they don't have losses, but their industry as a whole, the data's telling us they perform poorly, they're at higher risks in these specific areas. We can go in there and target those areas, evaluate exposures, and hopefully prevent those things from ever occurring. That's the goal. We have virtual offerings, we have webinars, all these various things outside of a traditional in-person, boots on the ground approach. And when you collectively bring those, you marry them with a safety grant program that we have, you begin then to better understand in how the relationship grows from that and what it tells us, 2 to 3 point improvement relative to retention, where we have intervention efforts there. So we're investing in some great tools to help people self-serve that don't want the human interaction or don't need it. They just need a little bit of opportunity and content there to be successful. And those are the best customers to have. I get a call often from peers within the industry asking me about RCT, my thoughts, relationship, what they bring to the table, what has it done for us, and I tell them all. I've talked to everybody out there. I've kicked the tires on everything. They're best in class in what they do. Just the out-of-the-box solution and what it can do for you, just to set some basics in place to help you then kind of create a roadmap for your own organization and where you want to take it. I think it's limitless in what you want to get accomplished. And one of the nice things is they tend to listen to their customers and what they need, what they want, what they desire, and then balance those things to create a good outcome and a good product. The user conference is a good example of what you do well. Recently creating a kind of an advisory panel of some thought leaders to talk about the roadmap and help prioritize and provide feedback relative to that in relationships. That's probably number one, the relationship aspect of I have a question, I have a concern. I can pick up the cell phone and call Ryan Nagy, and if he's not in a meeting, he's going to answer. And if he is in a meeting, he's going to get back to me and talk through a problem or a situation or an idea. A lot of times he listens to what I have to say, and sometimes out of that he's able to pick something out that might be worthwhile.